Hello and welcome to Midlife Crisis Garage, the smallest garage on YouTube, maybe. I'm here in a undisclosed location in New Orleans, Louisiana, storage shed, very secret area. Hey, this is going to be a super short video, but I want to show you something that's pretty unique to the 1985 in particular C4 Corvette, and that's the fuel injector plugs or connectors. So I've been searching all over. I removed my valve cover, but I need to remove those to get the valve cover back on better. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So I'll be releasing some other videos, but I've essentially taken the car apart. It's because I needed to do the valve. Look how much oil is just down there from it's just a mess. The valve covers were just bad and oil in all directions. Anyway, back to the point here. The 1985 in particular do not have the easy quick release clips on the injector plugs, this thing right there. As you can see, what you have to do is you have to pry this loose. If you can get one of them, it'll come loose. So what I used was a pick tool, and I actually used a straight pick tool, this one. Let's see. And what I did is I went right into here, and look, do you see that? See how I popped the clip out? So I used this pick, got the clip out, and then you can kind of get this loose. It's clipped on the other side, so you can see the clip trying to come out. There we go. See? So that's how you do this for a 1985 in particular. For the 85, the rest of the Corvette starting in 86 is what I've read. They start to have that quick release. So there you go. Just use this tool, and you can pry that clip out. It's not too hard if you know how to do it. Thank you. If you like this, please hit the little button down there. It helps somehow. I'm going to start releasing more videos on these cars, but there you go. Thank you. Hey, one quick addition. After, what was that? What was that pause for? Hey, one quick addition. The back two injectors were a little bit tight because they're inside the intake valves here. And because of that, I couldn't get a good grip with the pick tool. So I'll tell you what I did is I did go ahead and use a very small screwdriver. It worked extremely well. So I just stuck it down by the sides, like right there. So I stuck it down by the side. It did go ahead and grab that pin, the retaining pin. So it worked really well. So a little bitty screwdriver works just as well as the pick did. So, all right, have a good one. Thank you.